Now there's a special way of the contingency table. This is what we want to look at. All this while I told you to go through this, so I know by now you've gone through all of that. They are easy to do. Okay, then if you have any question, make sure you post the questions, make we see, then we'll do justice to them. So this is the category, that means a 2x2 contingency table. Okay, so look, this one you can go to the normal way. If you can memorize this, it's not any big deal, but somebody can bring this subjective question that if you have a 2x2 contingency table given as that, what will be the chi-square formula, and you must be able to see this. Okay, otherwise if you don't want to memorize this, you just have to go through the normal way we've been doing. Just find the expected frequency, take the difference, square, divide by the expected frequency, sum them, and get your test statistics. Go and do for your degrees of freedom. Alright, so here the number of rows is 2, number of column is 2, so degrees of freedom will be 1 times 1, because you are taking 1 from 2, multiplying the result. That is 2, that is 1. Okay, so that's how we're saying that the chi-square distribution has chi-square alpha, degrees of freedom of 1. Okay, alright, so these are exercises that you're supposed to go through, and then if you try them and you want us to verify, send your solutions to my mail. Okay, send your solutions to my mail. I'll go through for you. Alright, so this is a typical example. Okay, so go through that, and then so if you look at this table, it is saying that the paper published in a journal reported the accompanying data on the frequency of cocaine used for individuals in 3 different groups. Okay, so we have the cocaine use: none, 1 to 2 times, 3 to 6 times, the number of times they use, and then the treatment. So these are the various groups. So if somebody is in group A and then uses no cocaine, they are 149. Somebody is in group A, uses cocaine 1 to 2 times probably a day, he has 26. Okay, so here you have how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or somebody who uses at least 7 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. And then how many columns? 1, 2, 3. All right, so you have to find the row total by creating another section, and then find the column total by creating another section, so that you can find your expected frequency, expected for all of these ones to find your test statistic. Okay, all right. So we've gone through chi-square goodness of faith, and then chi-square test for homogeneity, and then independence. All right, so make sure you send your comment and your questions so that we know what is going on. Okay, if you don't communicate to us, we don't know how you understand the concept, what is missing. Send your questions. If it is a portion you don't understand, you capture it, you forward it to us. My email is there, it's waiting for you people. Send your stuff inside my email, make I look at them, so that I will just see what I can do. If I have to refer to some books and then give you answers, I'll do that. Okay, so the next thing we have to look at is one sample runs test for randomness. Okay, one sample runs test for randomness. So this is very interesting. This is very, very interesting. Okay, so what this one is trying to say is that at times you come up with, or you collect some data, and then you want to see whether the way you have arranged the data, did you do it random? Okay, did you do it random? You want to verify that what you've done, is it random? Okay, assuming you are trying to select 15 students, so you pick the first person as a male, second person as female, male, 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 female, male. So the way you've picked the people, when you finish, you sat down and say, so have I been fair? Have I been fair? The arrangement, how I was picking the people, was that done in a random manner? Okay, all right. So to do that, you have to test for randomness. Okay, you have to test for randomness. All right. And the best test to use is the one sample runs test. Okay, one sample runs test. So let's go through. The runs test is one of the several techniques for testing for randomness. So there are other techniques, but we are looking at the runs test. So the run is defined as, look, so that's the definition of run. Take notes. These are the things that you see, you take notes. Objective questions. So a run is defined as a sequence of observations, usually denoted by symbol such as letters or the signs plus and minus of the same type. Okay, so you are looking at the sequence of observation, all right, of the same type. Okay, sequence of observations of the same type. So as I'm saying, you said female, the first is female is one, another one female, another one female. All right, so second one is male, second one is male, female, male. So you see that this is the arrangement. So if you look at this, there is one type, okay, one same type, female, female, female. So this is a run. This is one run. This is another one, male, male of the same type. So this is two runs. This will make it 3, and this will make it 4. So in this sequence, there are 4 runs. Okay, there are 4 runs. There are 4 rounds. All right. So for example, look, tossing a coin 10 times may result in one of the following sequence. So you had the head, in the tail, tail. So you see that the way per the arrangement, the first, they are all heads. So this is 1 round. They are all tail. This is 2 rounds. So round 2. So put them together means for I there are 2 rounds. Okay. Here you see the arrangement, HH. So you see HH. So that's 1. T2. That. So you compare. When you count, you see there are 7 rounds. Okay. So if you look at the plus 2, you can see these are all plus. So 1 minus 2 plus 3. Right. So this is there are 10 rounds in there. So the order of male and female admission into a national theater for a concert party. So this is how people were entering the theater. Okay, so the first 4 people were female, followed by a male, and then a female came in, and then the first 4 became male, and then female, 5 of them came in, or I think 6 in that order. So you want to see the run. Okay, so this is female, so 1 run. These are females, so 1 run. Male followed, so 2. When you count everything, there are 10 rounds. Okay, so that is basically runs. Okay, so we'll delve into it and look at runs test for small sample, and then runs test for large sample. Okay, all right, so have a great day.